Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorials how to make hexagon object. You can go to sketch tools and choose top line in it, change into top view. The next to create hexagon, we can use these polygon tools. You can use inscript polygons or circumscribe polygons. I will use inscript polygons, click and then click start from origin point to the top. You can click again. And then you can set for side. Hexagon has 6 sides and you can click to apply. You also can create by using these tools, circumscribe polygons. Look at this point. Then move to the top. The next you can set for side into 6. Click OK. And then use extrude tools to convert this set into 3. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorials how to make hexagon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.